Hi, this is your chef Nalan. I'm going to prepare something called green mango, spicy green mango drink. If you have a mango tree outside your courtyard, just pluck some leaves and you can make a wonderful green mango crush. Ready? The ingredients are green mango leaves, rock salt, bird eye chili, lemon, sugar syrup, and soda. Just chop it up. A pinch of salt, ice cubes, sugar syrup, bird eye chili, spicy, ready to shoot. Wow. Yes. Yeah. Green mango from your very own courtyard.